Okay, this is how it happened today. Start off, flat tire on trailer, delayed. Young lady had an accident who was riding with us, delayed. We pull out, Bentley run off 100 miles plus, stock bike, flying. I ain't finna do 100. Get to Kalamazoo City, they talking, let's see who goes where. I say fine. I hear the challenge. They don't think I hear the challenge. I immediately get on my bike and run off. We gonna coming down the 5. We're gonna bust a left on 52. The end game, in my mind, is what city are we in? Albuquerque, New Mexico, leaving the Bay. Kalamazoo City, say that. The 33. So as we get to going, Bentley, I leave about the gas station, kind of a little bit of hurry, a bit of rush. In my mind, it's gonna be the tortoise versus the hare. Bentley's the hare, I'm the tortoise. I'm gonna run slow, steady, and I'm gonna win this race in my mind. I'm gonna take everybody down in my mind. I told everybody I'm winning. I told everybody, my people's called me on the phone. I told them, hey, I'm winning this. They don't even know they're racing, but I'm racing. I'm gonna go slow and steady. So, one partner takes the wrong exit on on 58, the old one that used to go back way to Fresno. He busts through the cone zone, damages his bike, I was told. He's at the gas station. Taste of India, if you know what I'm talking about, right by there. Okay, go down further down, a few more miles down. You got the 58 East. Highway Patrol's right there at that station. If you know where I'm talking about, off the 58 East. I see Bentley and his peoples, they over there. That 100 miles per hour, they just slowed it down, they getting gas. I said, oh, bump it up to 80. I'm about to get this. Let's keep it at 80. Let's just keep it running smooth in a straight line. They won't get me, because I'm going to do 80. I ain't going to slow down, and I ain't going to lie to gag on gas stops. That's about 5 this morning. Every stop, I'm moving fast. No extras. Get the gas, cut the sandwich in half, eat the sandwich while I'm riding. Got grapes, got banana, all the stuff big sales I'm talking about eating. I got all that. And hearing no bikes on the freeway. Bam! Back, going, I'm going. Get to Albuquerque, don't see nobody. But I do get warning by a brother saying, man, I saw 2 bikes flying, and then 4 or 5 of them behind that. I said, how long ago? He said, oh, that was about 30 minutes ago, maybe 40. I'm like, what? Must be Donnie and them, because they left the day before, earlier that day. I'm like, okay, must be them. But it ain't going to be Bentley in them, because I got this. Hey y'all, Rob MSI, all the way from on the ground via the Bay to Bakersfield, of course beyond. You know what I'm saying, you guys? This could be you, but you wasn't here. Get some miles, get some wind therapy in your life. That's all I got to say. Get the video. Hey y'all, as you can see, we out here. Hey, man, how many deep is we today, man?
We got a light pack.
We got a light pack? Hey, man, you know,
here and half back there.
the saying goes, this could be you, but you wasn't here. That's all I'm saying. We right here on the ground. You see us. You see us. Yeah, I'm letting you see what I see. Up, now we got to keep it moving, y'all. Place to go, things to see. Got to go. That part right there. You know the saying, this could be you, but you weren't here. That part.